Hi, welcome back to the workshop. Today we're going to be talking about the mode fencing system. So what we have here is the new mode steel galvanized post, all galvanized, and it's manufactured from two U-sections. The major benefit, and we'll come on to that in a minute. So first of all, let's just get the mode post into place. You can see I've just mounted it into a bolt down. This is just for this display. These bolt downs are used normally for concrete. Just helps me explain this on this sample. Before we actually build into the panels, what I'd like to show you is that if you do use bolt downs for the concrete floors, the system comes with covers. The covers are in two halves. They go front and back, and the covers create different colors and will cover over the bolt downs. Obviously, the screw fixings go over the top and clamp everything down. That's new to the system. So basically, there's not many other companies out there that have different colors and allow you to swap different colors. And Mode provide 5 different color options. What we're going to be using today is the Cheadle panel. So this is the composite panel from Mode Fencing. These come in natural. They have a graphite grey and we have a light grey option. What we're going to do is first of all build up the natural one, and I'm going to use it with the brown covers. Then you can see how I can change colour, and the major benefit of this system that you can build the fence first of all and then add the trims onto it to create the colour. So first of all, let's get our Cheadle panel into position. So our Cheadle panel's in. What you would normally do then, once the Cheadle panels are all inside, then through the holes that you can see in the post, then you would just use some screws that come with the post that you screw directly into the Cheadle and lock them into position. On top of the Cheadle panel then, we've got a capping. We've got 2 types of capping. This is the light version. If you're doing big spans and you needed real durability, then we offer a cross rail and bottom rail that provides sort of ultimate security. But for the sake of this demonstration, I am just going to use the light option. So you can see that in place. Now, once you've done that and you've built the fence, you can see I need to create a right angle in my fence. Using the same channel, you can see here in this position, the channel actually fits directly onto the post. And on that, we've got some covers that finish off and create the colour on these trims. So first of all, what I'm going to do is show you on this side, this is a cover, this is a light brown cover. Once you finish the fence, these just slide on. They slide on the front and on the back. You cannot see any fixings when this is finished. And then what we have for the corners, these are the corner trims. And I will demonstrate here. So once you've created the corner, and we will put a panel into position so you can see how this works. This corner trim, right, would fit onto there and slide on. On the same on the other side. That's in the position. You could then take the same colour panel in there, and that is your 90-degree corner. If you wanted to continue the fence, you can carry on fencing this way, you can fence that way. We can actually fence on the back as well. So if you've got a 4-way, if you're finishing on that corner, what we do have is then a trim that slides in the end post and finishes off the corner. So now we've got a complete, we've coloured on the back, we've coloured on this side, we've got this trim on this side, and you cannot see any fixings once this is in place. To finish off the top, we offer a pyramid post cap. On the back of the pyramid post cap, we've got some little wedge collars, and these simply, very easily fit. The wedge collars go over the side, and once you've tightened up on the top, then this post cap is secured into position, screwing it on top, and then that's your post cap in position and very secure. What I will do then is simply show you very quickly how easy it is then to actually modify and change the colours. So, simply removing the trim, and what we will do, we'll change this for an anthracite grey colour option. And you can simply see how quick and easy these covers in. The benefit of these covers is they all come in boxes of 20, so that once you've done all the fence, they're sat in a box, nice and dry, away from the construction site. You're not going to get them damaged, prevent any scratching from construction work, which is one of the biggest issues that the contractors had, where they were constantly complaining that they'd scratched they scratched all the posts and all the panels, and that they were having to touch them up with paint on what was a new job, and they'd already started touching up with the paint. So that's it, straight away, all of the posts, and again, the post cap would just fit us into position. Major benefit in terms of keeping the stock. If you've got a box of each of the colours, you can very quickly do any of the colours. It saves having all the posts pre-coated as well. So that's the fencing system. As you can see with the cheadle panels, in terms of the colour options we've got, mixing and matching all the colours. If you check out the website, you can see all the 5 different colours of trim that we've got available. The posts themselves are manufactured from 2mm galvanized steel. This gives, in the center, if you double up that gives 4mm of steel in the middle. So in terms of wind testing, they've been tested well over 100 miles an hour and they are stronger than any of the sort of comparable posts that's out on the marketplace at the moment. Okay, so that's the system. That's what we've covered. If you need any more information, then check out the website, check out all the details. There's lots of useful information on there, lots of data sheets. And if that's not there, just call Mo Fencing. They're there to help you.